Today I'm going to do chapter 2.2, expansion of the product of algebraic expressions. The first thing I want to do is a recap over here, alright, of what you have done in secondary 1. Secondary 1 we have learned that a positive number times a positive number gives you a positive number. X times x is x squared. Whenever you take a negative number and multiply it to a positive number, as in this case, you note that you get a negative number. X times x is x squared. Negative, positive gives me negative. Similarly, positive times negative gives me negative x squared. And finally, we recap that a negative number multiplied to a negative times negative will give me positive x squared. Alright, now that we have recapped the simple algebra from secondary 1, I will expand the following expressions, starting the first one. 2 times negative 3x plus 1. We know that when we open the brackets, we have to apply the 2 here, and we also apply the 2 to the next term over here. So 2 times negative 3x simply gives me negative 6x. 2 times 1 gives me 2. Simple enough. Next question. Negative 3 times 2x minus 3. Negative 3 times 2x, and also take negative 3 times negative 3. The most important thing here to pay attention to, right, is the signs. For example, negative 3 times 2x, negative and positive will give me negative 6x. Negative times a negative number, negative and negative gives me positive 9. So the thing that the multiplication itself should be pretty simple for all of you. The difficulty comes from the signs itself. Next one is this, 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. What happens here is we have to multiply the 3 here, the 3 here as well, and the 3 here as well. So 3 times x squared gives me 3x squared. 3 times negative 2x gives me negative 6x, and finally 3 times 1 gives me positive 3. There are no like terms here, so there's nothing for us to simplify. And finally, for the last question here for this set of examples is this. We have to multiply negative 2 into each of the 3 terms inside. Negative 2 times negative 3x squared. Negative times negative is positive, so I get positive 6x squared. Negative 2 times positive x gives me negative 2x. And lastly, negative 2 times negative 1 gives me positive 2. And that concludes set 1.